Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Bulletin. Today we're going to talk about Ethereum. Is it going downhill even further than it already is? So let's start again with this news from Oprah. I already covered it in a video before, but it's useful information anyway if you haven't seen it. Oprah is including a built-in crypto wallet and it supports Ethereum with that. So this allows people who normally do not use crypto or think it's too difficult to download a wallet or an extension for a wallet get much easier access to a wallet. So this is very useful for Ethereum in general. However, this news is now 2 days old, but still the price hasn't gone up yet. So it shows that this is important but not that significant in terms of price. And again, the bear market plays a part in that as well, because news generally has less impact on the price in a bear market. So here we have an interesting tweet by XRP News. Who remembers in the summer of 2017 when Ethereum briefly went down from $320 to 10 cents on GDAX? Crypto sure is crazy. Yes, it is. I mean, if you look at the all-time high and where we are now, it should be a bargain, Ethereum right now. However, there's a lot of uncertainty and we are going to cover that in this video as well. So this article on Bitcoin says Ethereum price analysis either burns to a crisp. Yeah, it sure is going down. This graph is important. It shows you the shorts. So look at this steep increase in amount of shorts. People honestly believe that Ethereum is going down. And that means that some people have information that we do not have, or that again people follow the masses. And when people follow the masses, it's often a sign that it's inaccurate, that this is a movement that should not occur, and that generally the price doesn't go down all that much. However, when people short it in the large green candlestick you see over there, the price actually did went down. So it did go down, so people did make money here, and now the shorts are starting to decrease again now that the price reaches approximately $86 per Ethereum. The amount of longs is just going sideways, also down if you look at November, for example. And yeah, if you look at the 4-hour charts, it just goes down. If you look at the weekly chart, it just goes down. Yeah, the signs are not that great in terms of price. And here we have an article on CCN saying Ethereum futures inbound, and the CFTC asked for public comment on the Ethereum network. And here you see that they are exploring. They want to know more information on Ethereum. Is it viable? But if it does happen, then it is a very positive element for the Ethereum price, because then it would only be Bitcoin and Ethereum that have futures. So in general, it's a good, good sign again, good news. Here we have Justin Sun from Tron, if you don't know it. They want to rescue Dapp developers from Ethereum and EOS. And as you've seen, EOS, the price has gone down a lot as well. Ethereum has many Dapps. We can check it out here. The amount of Dapps is 2000 approximately, and for EOS it's 100. But what Ethereum has more is volume and transactions. However, Ethereum and EOS are by far the most important Dapp developers. If you go to this site, State of the Dapps, you see the statistics, and many people are using Dapps, and it's increasing. The amount of Dapps is increasing, the amount of people that actually use Dapps is increasing, and Dapps are basically decentralized apps. And honestly, this could be the future, decentralized apps, so it's quite important that Ethereum has a head start in that. And that Justin Sun wants to rescue the developers is not the greatest sign, but it's also just big talk on his behalf, because he says that he's going to rescue those developers, but those developers would have to take their Dapps with them. So if this is supposed to happen, it's very, very good for Tron, but honestly, you can take this with a grain of salt. And yeah, unless Ethereum really goes down, like a lot and people abandon the idea altogether, then this does not make really the most sense. You can also look at the price. Currently, at time of speaking, it's $68, quite low. It has broken the $90 barrier. Yeah, if you look at the 7-day chart, a couple of days ago it actually was quite high again, almost reaching $100 again. So the sentiment was getting better, but it didn't last very long because it's all the way down again, and we can expect it to go down even further or move sideways. I don't expect it to go up anytime soon. But again, this is always for entertainment purposes only. Do not take this as financial advice. And one thing that's also important to notice for Ethereum is that they have a hard fork coming. So their Constantinople update is coming soon. But the entire community agrees with this hard fork, so you do not have to expect another coin to be developed, such as Ethereum Classic. However, this update means that Ethereum will be a little bit faster, scalable, and for miners they will get a little less Ethereum per block they mine, but they also postpone the difficulty bump. Now with this, I hope I have informed you enough on the current news regarding Ethereum. It doesn't really look that good. The price could go down even further, but honestly, with the amount of depths they have, I don't see them going down that much more. They're already very low. So yeah, it's hoping for the entire market to come out of this bear phase. Thank you for watching. This was the crypto bulletin. See you next time.